Hey guys, look how much toothpaste you got. Oh, you can't see that well.
Alright, hurry up. Girl, where are we? Where's the hair gel?
It's downstairs in the bathroom. It's here in the bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms, guys. What do you mean? You're so lazy. You never.
Just get it.
No,
Like
making
downstairs, like down basement.
it. No, here.
Okay.
Here, come. Alright, we're gonna see if we had gel. Do we? Let's turn on the lights, guys.
We do not. Or do we? Oh, yes, we do. Oh, yes, boo. Yes.
That doesn't have any in it anymore.
Alright.
Oh, guys.
Put the hair gel in. Open it.
Right? Her gel.
Put it back when we're done.
And she's gonna do it with a marker.
Take it out. Put it back. I'm gonna get some toothpaste. Wait, did we forget the glue? I think we did.
We're gonna go get the glue, guys. Sylvia, come down here right now. Where's the glue? I forgot where I put the glue. Oh, the glue's right here. I'll put the glue right by the microwave.
So now, like, I can break some.
Elmer's glue.
Get the toothpaste.
What the heck? She ruined it. Look at it.
Yeah, go get more toothpaste.
Hey, I put the camera right here. See that?